If your phone isn't ringing and people are not calling you, it is not just your ads, it is your brand. And today, we're gonna fix that. Let's get started. Number one, make sure that your message is not confusing. When somebody goes to your page or your landing page, make sure you have these three things in your page. Who do you help? What kind of projects do you do? And what sets you apart? You see, because if you can't explain this within the first 3 seconds, people will just gonna continue scrolling. But when your message is clear and you have big, I help busy professionals with luxury projects, and we do it within 8 months. And you have a clear hook, a clear saying of what is it that you do and how you help them, then you're gonna attract the right clients. You're gonna attract the right people that are gonna wanna go through your sales process, that wanna go through your funnel.
If you want the same exact systems we use today to qualify, present, and close $100,000 projects, text me the word sales to 786-949-3719, and I'll send over to you our sales closers blueprint for free. You're welcome.
Number two, if you have no proof, who's gonna wanna hire you? And let me explain what I mean by proof. Make sure that you have clear images of your projects, of what people are saying about you, of existing clients saying how great the service was. Because if there's no proof, it's gonna be very hard for people to trust you and wanna even pick up the phone to give you a call in the first place. And number three, make sure you look like a pro. Having bad quality photos, having a bad logo, bad image, bad lighting, does not make you look like a professional. So if you wanna be like a professional, be a professional and show up clean, ready to target, ready to crush it, and ready to continue growing your business. Can't stop, won't stop. I'll see you in the next one.